On today's show, Hyundai gives a glimpse of the new Santa Fe, Samsung shows off new automotive technology, and we take a look at more of the issues Monroe & Associates discovered on the Tesla Model 3. All that and more coming right up on Autoline Daily. This is Autoline Daily, the show for enthusiasts of the automotive industry. While car sales dipped slightly last year in the U.S., automakers had a pretty good year on a global basis. According to Ward's Auto, sales of light, medium, and heavy-duty vehicles hit 96 million units in 2017, a gain of about 3% compared to the year before. Sales in North America reached 21.2 million vehicles, which is a slight drop, but it was the only region where sales fell in 2017. Sales in Asia topped 45 million units, which is a gain of 4%. Over in Europe, automakers sold just under 21 million vehicles, which is an improvement of more than 3%. South America had the largest growth of all regions, with sales up a strong 13%, and automakers sold another 4.6 million vehicles outside of those markets. All in all, it was a pretty good 2017, and if the growth continues this year, the industry could come close to topping 100 million units. As we've reported previously, things at Harley-Davidson aren't going so well. Global sales were down 6.7% last year, and it's forecasting an additional drop of nearly 5% this year. So now the motorcycle maker has announced it will close its factory in Kansas City, Missouri, and consolidate production in Pennsylvania. One of the reasons for the decline in sales is Harley has failed to connect with millennials, but hope may be on the way. Autoblog reports a representative confirmed that the all-electric Livewire bike is, quote, an active project that we are preparing to bring to market within 18 months. The person also added Harley wants to be the world leader in the electrification of motorcycles. Samsung continues its push into the automotive industry. We'll have more on that right after this.
Autoline Daily is brought to you by Bridgestone Tires, your journey, our passion. Dow Automotive Systems, advanced materials that deliver better results. And by Lear, a global leader in automotive seating and electrical systems.
Samsung has been making a big push to get into the automotive industry, which analysts say is a way to lessen its reliance on the smartphone business. In March of last year, it finalized the purchase of Harman International for $8 billion, and now we're starting to see what the two are bringing down the pipeline. Digital Cockpit is a single software and hardware solution that sees the infotainment and cluster combined into one display. There's also a premium package that can power up to 4 display screens, which includes the first application of automotive-grade QLED, or quantum dot light emitting diode displays. And here's something pretty cool: augmented reality navigation. It gets rid of the traditional map and replaces it with real pictures and video, which then has the navigation route laid over top of it. Looking more toward the future, based on a passenger's schedule, location, and biometric data, the vehicle will be able to build a mood-based music experience, switch to autonomous mode, and passengers can take advantage of a large QLED mood roof that plays relaxing sounds and video. And if we think about shared mobility, a vehicle is going to need to be able to provide a personal experience for a wide variety of users. The company's configurable entertainment features shape-shifting speakers, where not only the cone of the speaker changes shape, but a display on top could also change the visual elements like the logo and grille. Think about it this way: if a group of people get in the car to go to a concert, it could sound like a hard-hitting JBL system or a more premium Harman Kardon system for a couple that's going out to a nice dinner. Hyundai is giving us a taste of what the new Santa Fe will look like. As you can see from the rendering, the new Santa Fe has a larger grille, and the daytime running lights are separated from the main headlights. The styling is sleeker, and it features a character line that runs from the headlights back to the taillights. There's no other details for us now, but we'll learn more when the Santa Fe makes its premiere sometime in February, ahead of its official debut at the Geneva Auto Show in March. Coming up next, a look at more of the engineering issues Monroe & Associates discovered while tearing down the Tesla Model 3. Sandy Monroe is an expert at design, engineering, and manufacturing who does a lot of competitive benchmarking for automakers and suppliers. Right now, he's doing a benchmarking report on the Tesla Model 3, and he's found a number of engineering issues on the car, including some of the assembly line fixes. Here's a look at that.
And then you pointed out that there's two ways to open the front doors here.
That's correct, and we're going to probably highlight this a little bit too. So this is the real way to open the door, and if you listen, you can hear it, right? That's what opens the door.
Right.
But, you know, being a mechanical snob, I came down and lifted this way, and when you do that, the screen over here says, you have activated the alternate, you know, and so this is kind of a backup so that you can get out of the car if you have to.
It's a mechanical system in case of an emergency,
Right.
so you can get out. But what you pointed out is
they don't have
them on the back doors.
No, I guess the kids don't matter. I don't know. Anyways, there's no activation here except for this one.
So if there was an accident, and as you say, seconds count, and you can't open the door mechanically, you have to crawl around, flip the back seats down,
Right.
and
So-
crawl out the trunk.
Yeah. So here you'd lift up this. We're setting this up for ride and drive right now, but you'd lift this handle. That seat would come forward. Hopefully you don't have three people in the back seat, and then you'd crawl back here, and you'd push the child release. So the child release is up here in this area here.
All week long, we'll be showing you more of what Monroe and Associates have found as they dig into how the Tesla Model 3 was designed and engineered. We'll have more to show you tomorrow. And don't forget to join John and Gary this Thursday for Autoline After Hours. We'll have the new Hyundai Kona in the studio with us because our special guest is John Jariga, the Director of Powertrain at Hyundai Kia's Tech Center. So if you have any questions, send them our way to viewermail@autoline.tv. That's it for today. Thanks for watching and making Autoline a part of your day.